Hi friends, this is Dinisha and welcome to my channel Dian's Paradise, and I hope all are doing good. Today I'll show you how to make Rasmalai Jar Cake. Jar cakes are great for gifting to friends and families for special occasions. They're absolute favorite in birthday parties. Here I've used ready-made Rasmalai. For the base, you can follow any basic vanilla sponge that you have been following for this recipe. Here I'm going to show the one with eggs. If you want an perfect eggless vanilla sponge recipe, then check in the description for the link. For the sponge, we'll start with the dry ingredients, for which I'm taking half cup of all-purpose flour or maida, half teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Sieve and keep it aside. For the wet ingredients, in a separate bowl take 2 medium-sized eggs. Whisk them using an electric blender. Add half cup of powdered sugar to it little by little at a time and blend. To this add half teaspoon of vanilla essence. If you have Rasmalai essence, you can add few drops of that as well. Blend this on high speed until it becomes light, fluffy and a ribbon-like consistency. To this add 2 tablespoons of any flavorless vegetable oil and blend at the lowest speed of your blender for 30 seconds. Once done, clean the sides of the bowl and add the dry ingredients along with 1/4 cup of milk, which is in room temperature, to it and mix slowly. You can use all 1/4 cup of milk itself, but here I am going to take out 1 tablespoon of the milk and replace it with the milk that comes with the Rasmalai to give an extra flavor of Rasmalai into the sponge. Combine everything slowly. To bake this, here I am going to use a 7-inch aluminium cake tin, which I have greased with some oil and dusted with some flour and lined with a parchment paper. Pour the mixture into it and tap few times to remove air bubbles from it. I am going to bake this on stove top. I preheated the vessel for 10 minutes on medium flame with some salt in it. Now place a stand in it and place the tin inside carefully. Cover and bake this on low flame for 20-25 minutes. After 25 minutes, the cake is baked perfectly. You can see the skewer is clean, which means the cake is perfectly baked. Let this cool down completely on a wire rack. Once it's cool, layer the cake into 2. Now take the jar that you are going to assemble the cake and cut the layers round of the shape of the jar for the base. Now it's time to assemble our jar cake. Into the jar, place the sponge. Soak the sponge with the milk that comes with the Rasmalai. Now pipe a layer of whipped cream on the sponge. On the cream, spread a layer of Rasmalai chunks. Finally, sprinkle some chopped nuts. Here I am using almonds. You can use pistachios as well. Onto it, place the second layer of vanilla sponge and repeat the procedure. Hope you all liking this recipe. If you all did, then give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such recipe videos. Here goes the final sprinkle of almonds. Cover and set this in the fridge for 30 minutes before you serve. Hope you all like this recipe. See you all soon with another exciting recipe video. Till then, take care and bye bye.